Says we're live. All right, we are live at Modex.
Hey guys, my name is Gauthan Sivakumar with Carolina Handling. I'm the automation PM here.
And I'm Jacob Barrett, Systems Engineer with Carolina Handling, based out of North Carolina, and we're excited to be here at Modex 2024.
Awesome. So we have a couple questions for you guys. If you are joining us, you can type them in the comment section. But first off, we just want to know what brought the evolution of Carolina Handling from a forklift provider to a comprehensive end-to-end supplier of industrial equipment and automation solutions.
Yeah, absolutely. So when you think about Carolina Handling or really any of the other Raymond RSCs, what you think about are forklifts, right? Expansive deployments of forklifts across hundreds, if not thousands, of different customers. That puts us in a really ideal situation to be able to have technicians that respond within 90 minutes to any problems on site, to actually be able to see how our customers respond to problems on their site, and then be able to take that from just being a forklift company to then saying, how can we optimize the rest of your facility? Talking about automation, whether that's simple stuff like conveyor or talking AGVs, robotics, and really everything else that goes into a fully automated system at a customer facility. So it's really leveraging our connectedness to the customer through forklifts to be able to provide full solutions across many different types of automation.
Awesome. We just got one question in here. It says, how do robotics in a warehouse offer immediate ROI, particularly addressing labor shortages and operator efficiency?
Yep, I can tag it on that one. So, big benefit for mobile robotics is the simplicity of deployment. They really come in a lot of different facets of a warehouse, and they're really meant to take on those repetitive tasks that become really burdensome for a company that's trying to operate daily with the same repetitive tasks that need to be accomplished to get whatever their complete task is done for the day. So, by bringing in mobile robotics, the biggest benefit we see is reduced labor burden for those repetitive tasks that you can now take your skilled workforce and move to more disciplined, more difficult tasks that they're able to spend more time in without being burdened by those previous tasks. And it's a great opportunity for customers that are relying a lot of temporary labor, relying on maybe some insufficient or some undisciplined workforces to take those simpler tasks and deploy them with robotics and keep their skilled workforce in positions where they're able to grow and develop and really provide more for the company. So we see the ROI right away with difficulties with trying to find labor in certain labor markets. That's been a continual issue for the last couple of years. And that is a big turning point for a lot of our customers, where now you can cut down on requirements or the need to rely on temporary work, as well as sometimes overtime requirements for your employees to get those simple tasks done. And you can feed that right back into the growth in your automation as well as your current employees.
Awesome. Thank you. Also, we know that here at Carolina Handling, everyone has different skill sets and backgrounds. So how does that help you guys create solutions for clients with different in the different industries?
Yeah, so that's one of the biggest benefits that we have here at Carolina Handling. We employ a pretty diverse group of engineers, project managers, sales members that come from a variety of backgrounds, anywhere from industrial manufacturing all the way to your 3PL, logistics, your e-commerce, you name it. And with that, we get a very diverse background that we're able to employ in very creative ways to come up with solutions for customers. So we know trying to bring automation to a warehouse, it's never going to be out of the box, same thing for every customer. We're going to have to look at different safety factors, different environmental challenges that we're going to face. Even labor, as we just talked about, is always a trick that we need to factor in for what makes sense to be able to automate and provide. So having that diversity in our group, bringing that creativity, we're able to be on the ball and come up with very unique solutions for customers that make us stand out versus some of our competition. And the integration piece that we provide, having a very diverse portfolio of vendors and partners that we get to work with, we're always going to bring what we think is the best solution. We're never going to pander for a specific reason. We're going to give you what we think is the right fit. And if you find a different fit that suits you, we're going to help you every step of the way if we can.
Awesome. And then also, in what ways does the implementation of automation align with the broader industry trends towards enhancing workforce productivity and job satisfaction?
Yeah. So right now, you really hear a lot about companies having difficulty being able to hire and keep labor on site, especially in the manufacturing sector. So something that we've been trying to do is address this, right? So how do we address that? I think there's a lot of turnover just because in these unautomated facilities that exist today, people are doing the same type of activity over and over again. It's very mundane, it's very repetitive, and it's not very enjoyable to do as a job, right? So what we can do is provide AGV or other automated equipment to take some of those more mundane tasks out of the task portfolio of folks on site and be able to give them opportunities to grow in different ways, give them opportunities to do jobs that are way more, I guess let's say complicated, that you can't automate and provide more value back to the customers. Really address that.
Awesome. And what can you guys tell us about Modex so far?
There's a lot to see. Yeah, that's the biggest piece. 101 different technologies and a lot of different things that we're excited to all see. Really, we're going to see the future of automation, the future of warehousing, just things you name it. It's all in this building, and kind of envision what it all looks like in the future, all put together. So it's pretty remarkable.
Hope to see you guys in 2025.
Yeah.
I haven't met already. This
Awesome. Thank you, guys.
Thank you.
That was great. That was awesome.